Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that's sure to make your yard maintenance tasks a whole lot easier. We found this innovative electric pole saw and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Introducing the electric pole saw, a versatile tree trimmer designed for both high and low trimming needs. This 2-in-1 tool seamlessly combines a mini handheld chainsaw and a pole saw, allowing you to tackle a variety of tasks without the hassle of switching tools. Whether you need to trim those pesky low-hanging branches or reach high-up limbs, this electric pole saw is the perfect solution. One of the standout features of this pole saw is its extendable design. The telescopic pole can be adjusted from 6 to 10 feet, giving you a maximum reach of 16 feet when combined with your own height. This means you can safely trim elevated branches while standing firmly on the ground, eliminating the need for a ladder, which can be both dangerous and cumbersome. Another impressive feature is the 0 to 180 degrees adjustable cutting angle. This allows for multi-directional cutting, providing you with better control and flexibility compared to fixed-angle models. Additionally, the included adjustable shoulder strap helps relieve hand fatigue, making it easier to lift and maneuver the saw while you tackle those hard-to-reach branches. When it comes to power, this electric pole saw does not disappoint. It is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that operates at 1200 W and can reach speeds of up to 20,000 revolutions per minute. This robust performance enables you to cut branches up to 6 inches in diameter smoothly and efficiently, without the risk of jamming. Plus, the saw comes with 2 rechargeable 4.0Ah batteries, each providing up to 40 minutes of runtime. The LED power display allows you to keep an eye on your battery level in real time, and with a fast charger included, you can fully recharge the batteries in just 2 to 3 hours. One of the most appealing aspects of this electric pole saw is its cordless design. Free from the constraints of power cords, you can enjoy the freedom to move about your yard or garden without worrying about tangles. This lightweight tool is easier to maneuver than gas-powered saws, making it a practical choice for anyone who wants to maintain their outdoor spaces without the noise and emissions typically associated with gas equipment. So, who is this electric pole saw suitable for? It's ideal for homeowners with trees and shrubs that need regular maintenance. Landscapers and gardeners will appreciate its versatility for various trimming tasks, whether it's cutting firewood, logs, or maintaining gardens, parks, and orchards. Even outdoor enthusiasts will find it handy for camping trips or keeping their recreational areas tidy. Practical use cases for this tool are endless. Imagine effortlessly trimming those overgrown branches in your backyard, or maintaining the trees lining your driveway without having to climb up a ladder. You can also use it to prepare firewood for your next camping trip or to keep your garden in pristine shape. The possibilities are truly abundant, making it a must-have for anyone who values an organized and well-kept outdoor space. In conclusion, the electric pole saw is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that makes yard maintenance a breeze. Its combination of a mini chainsaw and pole saw functionality, along with its cordless freedom and adjustable features, sets it apart from traditional trimming tools. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe,